When I first got Ghost, it was the tiniest kitten I've ever seen in my life. Honestly, at first, I thought it was a mouse. My mom went to the animal shelter and saw Ghost. He was very, very underweight, super weak. He was cold. They told my mom that he had a 5% chance of survival. There's nothing really that we can do. And she was like, well, Hannah's never fostered a bottle baby. Would you let her try? Like, if there's no one else to take him. The first couple days, getting him to eat was so challenging. I had no clue what I was doing, but I think that it was the kind of thing that we learned together. And then I would be taking Ghost every 2 weeks to the vet, monitoring. Eventually, he reached a point where there wasn't a question of, is he going to survive? Around like 3 or 4 weeks, I noticed that he started to be able to play, just like, oh my goodness. From that point on, everything changed. He definitely saw me as his mom. He just wanted to be warm and cozy and just be next to me, which I thought was really special. Anytime I got home from school, I would have to take him out and play with him and watch them. He definitely demanded a lot of attention. If he was hungry, he would scream at me, he would chase me. He just had such a fun little personality. Once he was able to be adopted, I felt like my job was complete. And I could move on to help the next foster kitten that needed help. I was really excited that one of my friends was willing to adopt him because that meant that he could still be in my life. He looks like a cat now, which is so weird to look at. I mean, I don't recognize him. Navigating that for the first time was definitely challenging, but super rewarding. Also, it's opened the door to fostering so many other kittens. I've fostered 60 animals since Ghost, which is crazy. Ghost changed my life for the better.